Hi everyone, I'm very excited to share a new type of hair system that I barely used before, and that is the skin-based hair system from Superhairpieces. And what makes it so unique, as many of you guys know that I typically wear frontal lace or lace-based system to achieve hairstyle that show my forehead. But I never had a hair system or hairstyle that is with a band. This one is perfect for hairstyle with a band. And not only that, this hair system is also designed to be incredibly durable, but also at the same time very breathable, thanks to the lace part incorporated in the middle. Another big advantage is that it's super easy to tape. You don't need to fuss with sprays or glue. You can just tape it and then you're good to go. So this is perfect when you, for example, go on vacation or go to the gym, because this requires very low effort and very low maintenance. So I'll show you now how I tape this hair system, and I'm gonna show you how I wear the system during my upcoming vacation. So let's go. To tape the system, it's also extremely easy. You can just place the tapes around the system and that's it. You don't need to worry about the frontal lace, the spray or the glue. Alright, once you're done with the tapes, now we can just install the hair system. And it's super easy and takes literally 5 seconds. Now it looks a little bit flat because it's a little bit wet, but in reality it looks much fuller. So now I'm going on vacation with my new hair system. For my 2-week vacation, this hair system has been incredibly helpful. As someone who loves traveling light, I prefer not to carry a lot of hair accessories and products. This hair system is perfect because it requires minimal maintenance. I only packed some tapes to make a quick change after about a week, and that was all I needed. Whether I was flying for hours, exploring tropical climates, or even swimming, this hair system proved to be suitable for almost every occasion. It's versatile, durable, and incredibly convenient. So here's my advice. If you can, keep multiple hair systems with different bases in your collection. For example, this skin-based hair system is fantastic for low-effort days, like hitting the gym or even when you're just feeling lazy. It takes about only 5 seconds to put on. On the other hand, a lace-based system is ideal for when you want to style your hair and show your forehead. Thank you so much for watching.